Hi class, in lesson 5.8 we will be introduced to unit rates, trying to figure out what is the better buy. Learning targets in 5.8 we will be using unit rates to solve problems and also to calculate the best buy, and we will calculate unit rates. Key term in 5.8 is unit rates, so make sure that you refer back to your knowledge rating scale to see how you did with understanding that definition. Let's take a look at problem 1 on page 372, using unit rates to determine the best buy. It says, as you learned previously, a rate is a ratio in which the two quantities being compared are measured in different units. A unit rate is a comparison of two measurements in which the denominator has a value of 1 unit. The most common place you may have encountered unit rates is at the supermarket. Unit rates can help you determine which of two or more items is the best buy. Car manufacturers also use unit rates when they advertise how many miles per gallon their car can travel in the city or on the highway. Even microwave popcorn producers will boast about how few kernels of popcorn remained unpopped per one bag. They will usually use this unit rate to compare to their rival popcorn producers. If we take a look at number 1, it asks us to compare the prices for various sizes of popcorn sold at the local movie theater. You have the mega bag, the giant bag, the medium bag, and the kids bag, all listed right here. You have how much it is going to cost for the different sizes of the popcorn that is sold at the movie theater. So letter A is going to ask us what is the unit rate price per ounce for each bag of popcorn, and then letter B says what size popcorn would be the best buy, and explain your reasoning. So let's take a look at the mega bag and get an example of how we should set up the work in order for you to figure out the rest. So here is how you can set up your work. If you set up a proportion, you're going to be able to figure out how much you are going to pay per ounce. I have $10.24 for a 32-ounce size of popcorn that is sold at the movie theater. So all I'm doing is just taking $10.24 and I'm dividing that by 32 ounces. When I do that, I'm going to get 1 ounce for my denominator, and for my answer then, I am going to get 32 cents per ounce. So that is how you can set up a proportion in order to help you figure out the unit rate price for each of these bags of popcorn. So go ahead and figure out the giant bag, the medium bag, and the kids bag, and then when you are done, go ahead and answer letter B then as well, which size popcorn is going to be the best buy. So here is what the rest of the unit rate prices should be for the bags of popcorn. The giant bag would be 25 cents per ounce, the medium 28 cents per ounce, and the kid bag would be 30 cents per ounce. If we compare all 4 of these different sizes of popcorn, then the best buy is going to be the giant bag because it has the lowest unit rate. It is the cheapest cost per ounce. Let's take a look at page 373 up at the top. Number 2 says, the local paper published these rates on gas mileage for a few new cars. You have the Avalar that can travel 480 miles on 10 gallons of gas. The Centaur can travel 400 miles on 8 gallons of gas. And the Comstar can travel 360 miles on 9 gallons of gas. So it says change each to unit rates so that it reports miles per 1 gallon of gas. So go ahead and do letter A, B, and C. So if we take a look at letter A, the Avalar is going to be able to travel 48 miles per gallon, the Centaur 50 miles per gallon, and the Comstar 40 miles per gallon. So if you look at our word bubble over here, which car is better? Do I want the one with the lowest unit rate, like with the popcorn bags? Not in this case. In this case, you would want to pick the one that is going to travel the farthest per gallon, and that answer would be the Centaur. You can get 50 miles per gallon if you were to purchase that car. If we take a look at the bottom of page 373, it says that unit rates are also useful when calculating multiple numbers of an item. Let's take a look at number 4. It says to complete each table, I would like you with your group members to do letter A, letter B, and then on the next page 374, letter C and letter D. If we take a look at letter A, we are given the unit rate for the carpet that is sold by the square yard. It says that classroom carpet sells for $10.50 per square yard. So we're given that unit rate, and in order to fill out the rest of the table, all you have to do then is multiply that unit rate by what you are given, in this case the square yardage for the carpet, in order to determine what that unknown value is going to be. When you do that for letter A, 40 square yards is going to be $420, 50 square yards would be $525, and 100 square yards would be $1,050. For letter B, the pink lady apples are sold by the pound. 1 pound of pink lady apples costs $2.99. So you would have $5.98 for 2 pounds, $14.95 for 5 pounds, $29.90 for 10 pounds, and $59.80 for 20 pounds. For letter C, purchases in your county have a 7% sales tax added for every dollar on the purchase price. So for $5 you'd have 37 cents, $10 would be 70 cents, $20 would be $1.40, $50, $3.50, and for $100 you would pay $7 in tax. And for letter D, much like I talked about when we went over the example in letter A, how do you use each unit rate to complete each table? You're going to take the unit rate and you're going to multiply it by the given each time to determine what the unknown value in the table is going to be. We are going to take a look at problem 2, but we are going to skip all the way over to page 377, and this is how we are going to finish up then for today in discussing unit rates. I would like you for homework to do numbers 4 through 7 on page 377 and 378. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Go over any other questions that you might have about unit rates. Please feel free to come and talk to me if needed. Thank you.